The internet speed is excellent, with no disconnections or signal loss. It and number 39 is very stable. Make sure to install the eSIM before leaving your country. It requires a reliable and steady internet environment. It and number 39 is pretty good, cheap and easy to use. I hope there will be more discounts like this in the future. Compared to my friends and number 39, internet speeds, KKday and number 39, as internet speed is very stable and the signal is excellent. It works great. Occasionally, the web page takes a while to load, but otherwise it and number 39 is quite smooth. The only area with weak signal was the airport. The signal was great at other tourist attractions. This time, we visited Ubud, Sangkok, Bonita Island, Jimbaran, and Uluwatu. Great! I received the QR code immediately after purchase, so I could install it directly without scanning anything else. I forgot that activation was only available on the same day, so I installed it a day early. I immediately contacted customer service for assistance, and they responded very quickly. Thank you so much. The internet speed is also very fast in Indonesia. Highly recommended. This is a highly recommended option. In Indonesia, it and number 39, it's advisable to have a telecom service connected to Telkomsel, as Telkomsel is the largest telecom operator in Indonesia. Attached are current connection speed test data from a second-tier city. It runs very smoothly without any lag. Customer service is excellent and I have repurchased it multiple times. I and number 39 am using it well. It was my first time using eSIM, so I had a bit of trouble at first, but it and number 39 is easy. Great product offer at great price. Connection is good. Convenient, fast, strong signal, and stable internet speed. Although this might be because I didn't and number 39 go to any very remote areas.